बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं आपका होस्ट नावलस्तार और आप देख रहे हैं यूट्यूब चैनल लाइफ सक्सेसफुल वेज। पीपीएससी पास्ट पेपर ऑफ जोलॉजी और बायोलॉजी के हवाले से आज हमारा 9वां लेक्चर है। उसमें पहला एमसीक्यू जो हमारे पास है वो है डैश फॉर्म द इनर लाइनिंग ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव कैविटी ऑफ एन एम्ब्रियो। तो इस एमसीक्यूज का आंसर है एंडोडर्म। अगला एमसीक्यूज है डैश फॉर्म मसल ब्लड स्केलेटल एलिमेंट्स एंड अदर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू। तो आंसर है मीजोडर्म। A stage of echinoderm embryology consisting of a hollow ball of cells is called, आंसर है blastula. Invagination of cells in the vegetal half of the echinoderm embryo occur during a process called, आंसर है gastrulation. Gastrulation in an amphibian embryo occur as superficial cells begin to roll over the dorsal lip of the blastopore in process called involution. इसका आंसर है in the amphibian embryo the notochord and mesoderm form dash, आंसर है कॉर्डा मेसोडर्म या इसे एक्सियल मेसोडर्म भी बोलते हैं। Early cleavage in the zygote of a bird result in the formation of the dash, आंसर है blastoderm. An inward migration of epiblast cell of the bird embryo results in the formation of mesoderm. This migration occurs along a linear invagination called dash. Answer है primitive streak. Which of the following individual was an early proponent of evolution, even though his explanation of how change in species occur was incorrect? He was steadfast in promoting idea of evolutionary changing. तो आंसर है जेन बैप्टिस्ट लामार्क। According to Charles Darwin, evolution is, आंसर है descent with modification. The idea that the earth is shaped today by the force of wind, rain, rivers, geological uplift just as it has been in the past is known as dash uniformitarianism. आंसर है the idea that the earth is shaped today by the forces of wind, rain, river, volcanoes, and geological uplift, just as it has been in the past, was developed by the James Hutton and Charles Lyell. अगला एमसीक्यूज है द डिस्कवरी ऑफ फॉसिल्स ऑफ हॉर्सेस, Gant armadillos and Gant sloth in South America suggested to Charles Darwin that, answer है the species composition of the earth has changed through geological history. Next MCQ है the formation of new species from an ancestral species in response to the opening of the new habitats is dash, आंसर है adaptive radiation. An adaptation is any characteristics of an organism that dash, आंसर है make the organism better able to reproduce in its particular environment. The combination of Darwinian evolutionary theory and population genetics is referred to as modern synthesis or neo-Darwinism. The explanation of why fossils of horses occur in South America Even though there were no horses in South America at the time America was settled is found in the study called biogeography, the study of the movement of crustal plates during continental drift is called plate tectonics. As continents move apart, new crustal material is thrust up from the ocean floor in the Atlantic Ocean, and old crustal material sink into the earth in dash oceanic trenches of the Pacific Ocean. Geologists estimate, sorry, geologists estimate that the Earth is about dash years old. Answer है 4.6 billion years old. Life arose about dash year ago. Answer है 3.6 billion years ago. RNA is considered by many biologists to be a good candidate for the first genetic material. This idea hinges on discovery that some kinds of RNA dash can act as enzyme. A change in the frequency of allele in a population is a definition of dash. Answer है evolution. The study of genetic events that occur in gene pool is called dash. Answer है population genetics. If the requirements of the Hardy-Weinberg theorem are all met, then dash evolution not evolution is not occurring. Answer है two male deer are equally adapted to their environment. One of these bucks is in the wrong place at the wrong time and is shot by a hunter. The other buck reproduces, passing its gene on the following generation. This account is an example of dash. Answer है genetic drift. Which of the following statement is most accurate? Answer है evolution occur in virtually all population at some point in their history. Next MCQ है two tortoises are caught on a mat of floating vegetation and get carried out to sea. Their mat happens to land on a volcanic island that is inhabited by a small population of the same species. Breeding with the island tortoise population introduced new allele that add to the genetic diversity of tortoise on island. This account an example of जीन फ्लो, यानी कि एक टेरिटरी से दूसरी टेरिटरी के जो टॉर्टाइज हैं वो आपस में मैटिंग करते हैं तो उनके आने वाली जो नस्ल है उसमें वैरायटी होगी, डाइवर्सिटी होगी, तो ये जीन फ्लो इसे बोलते हैं. आफ्टर अ bottleneck event has occurred dash the genetic diversity of population is decreased. When chance event increase or decrease the frequency of gene in a population dash has occurred. Answer है genetic drift. From the perspective of a population, mutations are positive events because dash. Answer है they provide new genetic variation that can help ensure the survival of the species. अगला एमसीक्यूज है व्हेन अ जियोग्राफिकल बैरियर डिवाइड्स मेंबर ऑफ अ पॉपुलेशन डैश स्पेसिएशन में अकर. तो एलोपेट्रिक, a mutation that caused a change in the courtship behavior of occurred in and spread among a few members of a population of cranes This change in courtship behavior prevents those that have the mutation from mating with those that do not have the mutation. Even though the two groups share the same breeding territory, this mutation may cause dash speciation. To answer has sympatric. The punctuated equilibrium model of evolution is the idea that dash evolution occur rapidly for short periods of time and then a population undergoes very little changes for long period of time. Natural selection that narrows the phenotypic range by selecting against phenotypic extreme is called dash stabilizing selection. Sickle cell anemia was maintained in African population because the heterozygote was resistant to malaria. Both homozygotes were selected against by severe sickling or susceptibility to malaria. This example illustrates that heterozygote superiority. All genes in an organism do not necessarily change at the same rate. Most cats, for example, are easily recognized as cats. These traits have been conserved in evolution. Other traits, example, length of the tail, uh, plumage, and stature, vary from species to species. This is an example of dash. Answer है mosaic evolution, the study of animal behavior that focuses on evolution and the natural environment is dash. Answer है ethology, the study of the evolution of social behavior is dash. Answer है sociobiology. Dash emphasizes the ecological aspects of animal behavior involved with predator-prey interaction, foraging strategies, and habitat selection. तो आंसर है behavior ecology. Caution in animal behavior that occur on a evolutionary timescale is an dash cause. Ultimate answer है इसका. A bird watcher found that squirrels initially run from a bird feeder when she rapped on the window. Over time, the squirrel were less adapt to be chased from the feeder by this stimulus. This squirrel behavior illustrates a kind of learning called habituation. मतलब कोई स्क्वेरल है, वो घास से कोई चीज़ खाती है तो उसके इर्द गिर्द जो लोग होते हैं वो स्टार्ट में उनसे डरती है, लेकिन फिर वो यूज टू हो जाती है. जैसे जू में हम जाते हैं तो वो जो एनिमल थे जब स्टार्ट में आए थे तो लोग उनके तरफ जो चीज़ें फेंकते हैं या इशारे करते हैं उससे वो डरते थे, लेकिन एक वक्त आया कि लोग उनको इशारे करें या कोई चीज़ फेंकें, उनका वो डर खत्म हो गया. तो इस लर्निंग बिहेवियर को हम हैबिचुएशन कहते हैं, हैबिचुअल हो जाना. A mouse improves its ability to negotiate a maze with repeated trials. This mouse behavior illustrates a kind of learning is called latent learning. Training a young child to use mental process to solve problem, for example, matching block shapes to similarly shaped opening in a board involves a kind of learning. Insight learning इसका आंसर है. A dog that learned to roll over in response to rewards from its owner illustrate a kind of learning is called dash classical conditioning. Hormones that regulate developmental aspects of behavior, for example, testosterone, causing the onset of male like behavior at sexual maturity, regulate dash. Organizational effect है इस MCQs का आंसर. Which one the following forms of communication was probably least important for ancestral mammals? तो MCQs इसका जो आंसर है वो है विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन. Aggressive behavior of one animal towards another of the same species is called dash agnostic behavior. MCQ इसका जवाब है. Selection acting on related animal may affect the fitness of an individual. This phenomena occur when the fitness of an individual is based on their genes it passes on as well as those common genes or relative passes on. This selection is called dash selection. तो इस MCQ का आंसर है kinship. Which of the following is responsible for the improved coordination in the swimming movement of frog tadpole? तो आंसर है maturation. The mating behavior of a sandhill crane would be studied by dash. आंसर है ethologist. For an aquatic animal, the amount of oxygen dissolved in the water may determine where the animal can live. For this animal, dissolved oxygen and dash. Answer है limiting factor. For an aquatic animal, the range of value for dissolved oxygen that will support life is called the dash. Answer है tolerance range. All of the following contribute to the energy budget of an animal except one. Select the exception. Answer is resistance energy, the energy it takes to resist change in the environment. Evolution, in which each of the two species exert a strong influence on the other species, is called. Answer है co-evolution. A symbiotic relationship in which one member of a relationship benefits and the second member is neither help nor harm dash. तो आंसर है commensalism. The population size a particular environment can support is called the environment's dash. Answer है carrying capacity. Which of the following is an example of aposematic coloration? आंसर है द कंट्रास्टिंग कलर पैटर्न ऑफ स्कंक. तो नाजरीन ये आज का 9वां लेक्चर था. इंशाल्लाह पीपीएससी के जो बाकी पास पेपर के एमसीक्यूज हैं हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.